Staten Island is known as the Forgotten Borough. It is farther away from the other boroughs, and it is just different. It is 75% white and very working class. HONK has always made sure to include Staten Island and has made it a big focus of its work since 2008.
Okay, so now I feel like I opened the door and I said, please, don't worry about time, relax, enjoy. But now I have to be American. For a minute I was being Italian. In 45 minutes, we need to play.
Unidos do swing! Unidos do swing! Vai lá, vai lá! Swing! 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 Vamos! Swing!
HONK NYC always has a school visit, first with the Staten Island Charter School and then 3 years at Our Lady of Good Counsel School. One thing about Staten Island that is unique is that even though we can see Manhattan from its shores, it can be an isolated place, with one newspaper and a real lack of exposure to people outside of one's own bubble.
Do you know which country we are? Who knows?
South America.
South America. It's something like that, but that's not exactly a country. It's a country. Brazil! That's right, that's right.
Portuguese is our native language, and this music that we just played right here in front of you, it's called samba.
HONK's partnership with Maker Park Radio has been one that shares a like mission, so HONK Fest would not be complete without a stop at the station.
Unidos do Swing is a collective, yes, and we do always open weekly rehearsals in the streets in São Paulo. We are a touring band, learning, teaching, mixing the cultures, and we have a lot to teach about the Brazilian music, and we have some things to learn from the traditional American music, from the New Orleans music, through the HONK festivals, through the communities, culture here, and urban culture here too.
It makes me really happy that you make the effort to come here and bring this to our city. Even though we're a city of a lot of distractions and a lot of things, we're really super lucky to have you guys here. Really, and especially at Maker Park Radio. HONK brings the bands to Staten Island because they believe that art teaches empathy, and exposure to people outside of one's own comfort zone helps one see the commonality we have with each other.
HONK Camp is all about making instruments and hats, making rhythm and song, and making friends.
I make the question. Bagadagada, bagadagada, pum pum. Only two notes. Bagadagada, 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 bagadagada.
The summer camp was just amazing, and just see how the kids were so excited to learn and sing the Brazilian songs.
We all walk together and we don't break the chain. We all walk together and we don't break the chain. We all walk together and we don't break the chain.
Sabito ka. Tambor. Sabito ka tambor. Nice. Sabito ka. Tambor. All right, let's sing it one more time. We ready? I want to hear your strongest singing voices. Todu me mi nu du pelor. Sabito ka tambor.
The children end their week of camp with a performance for their parents and the instruments they have made and a newfound love of parading.
Samba, kids, happiness, like joy, love, I think is all connected.
Samba pro Brasil!
HONK NYC has partnered with ETG Cafe since 2008. Together, we bring a little bit of magic to Bay Street and neighboring Tompkinsville Park. Tompkinsville Park sits at the crossroads of Staten Island. Adjacent to the waterfront, the park is a hub for all walks of life. In 2014, Staten Island resident Eric Garner was murdered by the NYPD just across the street. HONK NYC has since allied with local groups to bring rebirth and recovery to the area.
Tompkinsville Park. So thank you so much. We're part of Friends of Tompkinsville Park, really trying to work on rejuvenating our park. We just love this park. We love this community so much. So we thank you so much. That was really special. You are awesome.
ETG's neighbor is Against a Grain Barbershop, owned by the rap group Wu-Tang Clan, Staten's most famous export. This year, we are honored to bring Black Fire Percussion to celebrate the end of a 12-mile walk in commemoration of Sandy Ground, the oldest continuously inhabited settlement of free blacks in the United States. Staten Island is the little borough that could. It is only fitting that HONK blossomed from a borough that is tough and resilient but beautiful. When unlikely connections are made, places are activated, people are moved to participate, and minds are opened, it gives HONK NYC hope in the future. Because if change can happen here, it can happen anywhere. Bye.